Tobacco Championship Wrestling. Hey, thanks for joining us. Corey Macklin ready to go at ringside. I've got the Colonel and the Doughboy joining me. This one should be a dandy. We got an 8-man tag coming up. What about this?
I think Rude can take care of the Golden Boy. You know, Rude's tough. I mean, he's got it going. Look at that, using the fist. Why don't you call it like it is? They there to do something about this stuff.
Referee Richard Devon, look at that nice move. And look at that kick. Big move from the Golden Boy. He goes down a pin count. And referee Richard Devon only gets the 2 out of it.
Man, I'm sick and tired of these referees in Heinsberg. I'm firing a whole bunch up there and hiring my own staff. That's what I'm going to do.
Boy, you know what? I heard you put a quote in the other day. Now, what's this guy's name? Alki Memphis or something like that. What's his name? Is that who you're going to hire? I talked to Jerry Calhoun. Now, Jerry's not he won't have nothing to do with Nate Durant, I guarantee you that.
I'm headed to Harpo's right now, and I'm going to find me a referee.
And Frank Morrell's retired, so who are you talking about?
Who?
Frank Morrell. You remember Frank Morrell?
I got a referee in mind. Exactly.
I agree with you. These referees look like they came from Foot Locker. I'm telling you, they're no good.
Two count. That's all he's able to get is a 2. Why Foot Locker?
Foot Locker, this is where they came from. They can't referee a match. I mean, they must have told him about a Foot Locker. Look at Danny B. Oh, God, there's another guy who can't stand right there, Danny B. He still hubcaps off of Reggie B's fine stud.
Oh, he did not.
Yes, he did.
The hubcap's off his bicycle, you mean? He's got a Reggie B's got a 10 right now.
That's funny. Reggie B's getting what he deserves right now.
But boy, I tell you, it's a sight to see. Can you imagine? I hate to even imagine this, really. But Reggie B on a tricycle around town learning to ride a bike.
You think the weirdest thing, the weirdest thing.
Come on with it. Look at this Golden Boy right there. And nobody home. What's somebody steal his hubcap?
You know what,
Corey? I don't think he's got it. I don't think he owns a car. I think he rides the MATA every day, everywhere he goes. That's what I think.
You know what you need?
What?
You need therapy. Oh, yeah.
2 count and Golden Boy kicks out of it. All he's able to get.
For a supposed bright fella, I'll tell you, Corey, you're really slow in getting a picture. I would say that.
How about bump and grind? Look at this. They're back together again, huh?
Man, I need to talk to these guys. These guys would be good at right balls in their corner.
Man, get these guys some tights and stuff, and you show them some of them new moves and grooves that you got going on. Man, I think they're the one for you.
These guys are fast. They're exciting.
Man, that was fast. He just whipped the Golden Boy hard into that turnbuckle and bump and grind. Working him over there, and, boy, look at this. Golden Boy leaps over and slips down, but comes back under him and trying to get him. Finally gets his shoulder. That's 2 count, and, boy, he gets out of it. Oh, man, big time. Back on his feet, and a big forearm down, and down goes the Golden Boy. He's in a little bit of trouble. Tag team on one half of Naughty by Nature.
There's Rude. Rude in there, man. Rude, he's tough. I've seen these guys all over there. I mean, these guys, Rude and Tully, Naughty by Nature. They put that 3D on you, you're going down.
Man, look at that move. Big time move, big guy, Naughty by Nature. 10 count, and he gets the 2, and that's all.
Them punks over there with Danny B. When I drove up to Dunstable the other day, I ain't gonna kid you, they were doing my oil, my tires, my gas, everything. They just hit my car, man. They got one heck of a gas station them boys do up there, I'll tell you that.
Who was on your oil and your tires?
Oh, that bunch over there with Danny B, Dolomite, son of Dolomite. Look at Danny, man. Doesn't look like Dolomite.
Dolomite ain't got no son. I've never heard you Dolomite had it. I've never heard that. Where'd that go from? Power slam. Look at that. Man, what a move there. You got to give the devil his due. The Naughty by Nature. Big time move on Golden Boy. And Golden Boy's able to kick out of it. You talk about I come up with the weirdest stuff. Now, who would ever even, you know, a lot of people watch never even heard of Dolomite.
Lattimore told me about that.
Who?
Lattimore.
Oh, my goodness. Next year, come up with Mays and Frankie Beverly or something. I can't believe you. Hey, boy, you guys, look at that DDT. Nice move there from the big guy. One hand of lump and grind. How about Lattimore? Sounds like R. Kelly.
I don't know. I just take tires for it. I mean, you know,
Why you hate it?
I just hate it. I mean, the library up there's got 5 books, and one of them ain't even colored in yet. That means you can go. No, Corey, you go up there and color in it.
fight in here, guys. Look at this. Referee had his hands full already, and now this is where it really gets confusing. Man, he's almost as confused as you guys are when you look and see all 8 men in the ring.
He has lost complete control of this match.
I know, he's almost confused as you two. I'm telling you, it's tough. Referee looking on. Danny B had a pin count. He had him pinned, and look at Danny B good. Climbing the ropes now. Up on the top rope. Oh, no. Look at this. Nice move. Good miss doing. There's the referee.
What's your double teaming going on? A bunch of double teaming.
Fine press. 2 count. Danny B with a little enforcement, and they get the win. Yes, sir.
Did you see that?
I'm getting split.
I did. Hey, I tell you what, we've got more still to come on Championship Wrestling here today. We're still going to see today the Bill Street Posse taking on Flex. And his partner, Jerry the King Ball. Jerry. The King. Hey, come on. I tell you what we're going to do right now. Let's take a break, guys. We'll find out when we come back. Oh, look at that. There you go. Get jiggy with it.